Hello, in front of me I've got Dark Project Midnight. In this video I'll show you how to manage hotkeys. Right here we've got the functional button. Press it and then press buttons from F1 to F9 to manage hotkeys. F1 is turn multimedia on. Escape is turn backlight on or off. F2 volume down, F3 volume up. Next, F4 is mute, F5 stop, F6 previous, F7 pause, F8 forward. F9 enters email, and then F10 enters home. F11 enters calculator, F12 enters search. Next, Fn plus right shift, snap tap mode. Fn plus arrows up down, light down. Left, right, speed light. Pause. Custom backlight recording. Home. Switch mine backlight colors. Print. Lighting effect switch. Long press Fn plus delete. Restore factory settings and Fn space battery charge in wireless models. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.